Good morning. Today we will be seeing certain case study or application oriented question on the topic principles of management. This is the second chapter of business studies. This case study or application oriented question almost forms 65% of the total question that has been asked in the board paper. Okay, 65% case study questions come. So first case study question. The first is not a case study, fourth this one. Second is a case study, but still we'll discuss. First is question is state two causes of fatigue that may create hindrance in the employee's performance. Okay. So what are the two causes of fatigue? Fatigue is the tiredness or restlessness that may create hindrance or barrier in the employee's performance. You have to answer that. Number two, second question here is Shankalal and Gagan, okay, Sanak Lal and Gagan started their career in Wales Limited, a printing press, after going through rigorous recruitment process. Since they had no prior work experience, the firm decided to give them 1 year to prove themselves. Name the principle of management followed by Wales Limited. So this is the question. We will see one by one. So first is the two causes of fatigue study. The answer of first question is the two causes of fatigue that create hindrance in employees' performance are long working hours and uncordial relation with the boss. That is, the causes that will happen if the fatigue is happening or tiredness happens, then what will happen? That employee performance will decrease, as well as the relation with the boss will also decrease. Okay, there will be bitter relation between the workers and the management. So this is the answer. Okay, so you have to avoid fatigue. Okay, you have to give rest intervals. Second question was that the Sanaklar and Gagan started their business after going through a rigorous recruitment process, very difficult recruitment process. Okay, but the firm decided to give them 1 year to prove themselves. They have given a time that 1 year you will be giving, you prove yourself, you show your performance. So which principle is followed here? This is the question. Which principle is followed here? Solution. The answer is principle followed by the company. The principles of management followed by Wales Limited is stability of tenure of employees or stability of personnel. According to this principle, Fayol stress that employees turnover should be minimized to maintain organizational efficiency. Okay, so for that you have to keep the employee for a certain period of time. Okay, so the employee should be selected after rigorous procedure, okay, recruitment procedure, and once selected they should be kept at their position for a minimum fixed period of time. They should be given a reasonable amount of time to prove themselves or show their results. So this principle says that once selected, you have to keep the employee for a certain period of time where they can show their performance. We should not go on changing, or the labor turnover should be avoided. Okay, we should not remove the employees as and when. Then the interest or the organizational efficiency or organizational performance will decrease. This is the solution. So now coming to the third question of today, application oriented. Here you can see that production manager at a top level of a corporate company, Mr. Rathod, holds the responsibility of ordering raw material. His responsibility is that he is responsible for ordering raw material, giving order of raw material. While deciding on the supplier for the financial year 17-18, he gave the order to his cousin at higher price per unit instead of firm's usual supplier, who was willing at a lower rates to the order. Which principle of management was violated by Mr. Rathod? Okay, this is the question. What are the positive impact of following the above identified principle? So what is the question? Says that the Mr. Rathod is responsible for ordering raw material or giving order of raw material, but for a financial year, particular financial year, that is 2017-18, he gave the order to one of his cousin, one of his relative at higher price instead of giving it to the regular usual supplier who was to give at a lower price. Now which principle of management violated here by Mr. Rathod, and you have to identify those principles violated and what are the positive effect of that principle you have to also mention. The solution is that Mr. Rathod has violated the principle of subordination of individual interest over general interest. Means he has taken here his own interest in favor. Okay, his own interest, that is his cousin has will given, so he will be getting some commission or he will be getting benefited or his cousin will benefited. So he has taken here his own interest. Okay, but the principle says that no, this principle is violated. Actually the principle says that no, your own interest should be kept aside and general interest, that is the interest of the organization, to be taken in priority. Okay, so he preferred his own interest by giving a supply order to his family members at a higher price. but not to the supplier who was providing the same at lower cost. So this might lead to achieve the personal goal but not the organization goal. Okay, so if you follow this, if you follow individual interest, then the personal objective can be fulfilled, organization goal cannot be fulfilled. So try to go through the question and answers and have a look at the same. Okay, thank you for now.